Hi, it's still again the Matt and Crown, the King of African culture. Guys, still on the Isoko history. Today we are in Okpe Isoko. Yes, life and direct. To tell you the great history of the Okpe Isoko people. Their rich culture, where they migrated from, where they settled first, when they came from where they migrated to. So, we are here today to tell you the great history and the rich culture of the Okpe Isoko people. Yes. So here we are. This is the father, the progenitor of the Okpe Isoko. We're standing right in the land of the Okpe Isoko people. So my brother, I'm Dima Arts and Craft, and you?
My name is Erhowa Uti, and I'm son of the soil.
You're son of the soil in
Yes.
Okpe Isoko here.
Yes.
Yeah. We know you people have rich culture, so that's why we're here today to know the rich culture of the Okpe people, the rich history, how the Okpe people migrated, and that's why we're here today for the great history of the Okpe people. So, can you tell us any little history about the progenitor of the Okpe Isoko that is right here? Looking at the statue there, you see that he's holding something left and right, signifying that. Okay?
All right. As a matter of fact, Okpe Isoko Kingdom. Well, we shouldn't drag or brag about it, but Okpe Isoko Kingdom happens to be the very first kingdom that emerged in Isoko here, and that is why the name Isoko is attached to it. No any other Isoko clan that has Isoko attached to its name. So that's why we believe Okpe Isoko is the first clan. And then when we talk about this statue is his name is Okpe.
Okpe.
Yeah, Okpe. He migrated from Ile-Ife. Like every other Isoko clan will say they migrated from Benin. I believe we're all brothers, but this is the one that migrated from Ile-Ife. And when he came, he settled at the lake, they call that lake Okele. You understand? So after the slave trade, he decided to move with his people down to this kingdom. So this kingdom is called Okbe Kingdom, and we are popularly known as Okabara.
Okabara.
Yes, that is warriors.
Warriors.
Okabara means when you're standing in the middle of blood. So we are not scared. But today, we are peaceful people.
Okpe Isoko people are not scared of blood.
No, we are not scared of blood. We are not scared of anything. That's why we are warriors. You understand?
So looking at the hand, you see that he's holding something. What does it mean?
That is the meaning of what I'm talking about, that we are warriors. Like if you go to every house now, every house you penetrate into right now, you must see 2 to 3 to 4 cutlasses.
You must see 2 to 3 cutlasses.
2, 3, 4 cutlasses. Although originally they are meant for farming, but notwithstanding, you can still use them at any time when there is danger, when you perceive danger for self-defense.
So we're in the land of warriors.
Yeah, sure.
So this is where the roundabout is seated,
Yes,
representing the Okpe.
when he came from Okele, he settled here. This is exactly where they settled before they now started moving from.
This place they have this statue here is where he settled when he came into this land.
Exactly, and then his children now started moving from one angle to another.